Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look what's going on currently on euro currency. In general, by looking at the performance of the different markets, we could say that it's not natural. So here definitely we see external impact. I suppose this is mostly geopolitical factor, because everybody just scaring of the big conflict in the Middle East. Because Iran hasn't given response yet, but it should happen in the nearest few days. At least this is suggested by the media, by some hidden sources who knows when this will happen. Anyway, this press on the market, and if you take a look at the performance on the euro currency and together with the DAX index, you could see immediately what's going on. So if you take a look on the DAX, this is daily chart, you could see what has happened in previous two sessions. Usually in normal conditions, currency market usually moves in opposite direction to the stocks, domestic stocks, because when the currency is becoming weaker, correspondingly assets nominated in these currencies becoming more expensive and vice versa. But here we see definitely some risk aversion, so running to the safe haven. Drop on the stocks in Europe, drop on the stocks in the United States. Euro at the same time is not rising, it's dropping, while the dollar is rising. So this is definitely clear signs of the geopolitical tensions. So by taking a look at the 10-year bonds, you could see what has happened, just collapsed to 3.95, below the 4%. This is definitely not the result of the Jerome Powell statement. This is something different. On a dollar index at the same time, we've got our grabber, and as will suggest the kind of the ABCD, at least ABCD performance, because here we are actually some part depending on the news, what will happen in the Middle East, how strong conflict will be. We suggest initially just the minor action in kind of the ABCD, but later, depending on the scale of this conflict, it's really could just keep going higher. We will see. Finally, if you take a look at the gold market, you can see it also shows great rally. But this is a separate topic for the video. Here we're mostly considering Forex market. So nothing to explain, guys, actually. It suggests, all this stuff together suggests that euro currency should keep going lower. So grabber suggests moving above this top. It's important on the euro currency. Market right now stands at the 618 support that we suggested, in general has shown the action to the downside what we talked about, but at the same time, lower time frame, we still do not see any signs of the reversal. Together with the grabber on the dollar index, we have the bearish grabber, or we will get bearish grabber. Just keep an eye on this. On the 4 time frame chart of the euro, I will show you the MACD, so you will see it. So you can see that market right now flirting with the MACD. If it will close below this area, below that line, so we will get the grabber suggesting taking out of these lows. And in general, yesterday we said that currently it seems most probable targets 1618 extension of this butterfly. It's around 10766. Appearing of the grabber, as you understand, will be supportive to this. Besides, by taking a look at the butterfly itself, take a look that we've got straightforward downside action with just one candle. It's 127 target has been reached. Usually when the butterfly shows such kind of accelerations, it almost certainly will go to the 1618, to the next extension. And in general, if you take a look at this performance, you can see how strong and fast downside actions are. They're at least 2-3 times smaller in time than the consolidation that's falling, and consolidation mostly sideways. So market doesn't show any more or less moderate pullbacks, so just mostly flat action. This indicates bearish domination currently. So taking all stuff together, today's Friday and before the weekend, I think that we could stay focused on the reaching of this area, and supposedly around 10760, 10770. We have different targets in this butterfly here, 618 support level on the hourly chart. You could see that it could be another minor butterfly with the 10765 extension. maybe it will be reached. Yesterday, as we talked about, this XOP has been completed. So in general, the program for this week to the downside with the completion of all the targets that we have set, with our performance of the hand shorts that actually mostly is done, it's completed because market has completed the XOP. Well, looks nice. So the plan for this week is completed, and currently we could get this minor final point in this trading week and start preparation for the next one.